Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, GTR Math Tutorial, and Facebook, RJ Enseñado. So for today's video, we will discuss number 330 to 332 of 1001 solved problems in engineering mathematics. So this is all about circle circumscribing a triangle. Ibig sabihin, yung triangle ay nasa loob ng circle. Okay, so let's start. Number 330. The area of a circle circumscribing about an equilateral triangle is 254.47 square meters. What is the area of the triangle in square meters? Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. Okay, so let's answer this. So let's draw the figure first. So this is the equilateral triangle inside the circle. Okay, so the area of a circle circumscribing about an equilateral triangle is 254.47 square meters. So given the area of the circle, okay, so area of the circle equals 254.47 square meters. Since the triangle is an equilateral triangle, so that means we let the side of the triangle be x. So all the sides are x since it is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so the question is, what is the area of the triangle in square meters? So to solve the area of the triangle, we need to find the value of x. Okay, and then we will use the formula for the area of triangle inscribed in a circle. We can use the formula A is equal to 1/2 AB sine C, or that is equal to, we have three formulas for finding the area of a triangle inside a circle: 1/2 AB sine C, or 1/2 AC sine B, or 1/2, we have ABAC, we have BC, and then sine A. Okay, so we will use one of these three formulas for area of triangle. Okay? Okay, so first we need to find the radius. The radius of this. So this is the center of the center ng circle natin. So ito yung radius. So ito ay radius din ito. So lahat ito ay radius. Okay? So radius lahat ito ng circle natin. Okay, so first step, find the radius of the circle. We have given area of the circle. So the formula for area of a circle is pi r squared. So we can solve the radius. So just solve for r. So divide both sides by pi. So we have a over pi equals r squared, and then get the square root of both sides. So we will get the value of the r. So square root of a over pi, and the value of area of the circle is 254. So 254.47. So let's divide that by pi. That will be the value of the radius. Okay, so just let us use our scientific calculator. So 254.47 divided by pi. Okay, so that is 81. And then get the square root. So square root of 81, so we have 9.00. We can round this up to the nearest whole number. So that is 9 meters. So the radius is equal to 9 meters. Okay, so the radius of this circle is equal to 9 meters. So the radius is now 9 meters. So all the radius, 9 meters. So next step, we can get that we solve the value of x. So we can but first we need to find the value of this angle. Let's let this angle be theta. So this angle also theta because this is an equilateral triangle. So one revolution, we know that one revolution is 360 degrees. So just divide 360 degrees by 3 to get the value of this angle theta. So therefore, 360 divided by 3, that is equal to 120 degrees. So each of this angle is 120 degrees. 120, and then also this is 120. So let's put letter A here, letter B, and then letter C. So now we can use the cosine law for this triangle. Okay, so I will shade the triangle for this triangle. Let's solve. We can solve now the value of x in this triangle using the cosine law. So we have cosine law, c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine c. Okay? So let us use that formula. So we have a and b, they are both equal to 9. So since the radius are both 9, and then our angle C will be this 120 degrees. So we can solve the value of this x. Okay, so therefore we have x squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine C. But the value of a here are a and b are both 9. So we have 9 squared plus 9 squared minus 2ab. So we have 2 times 9 and then times another 9. And then we have cosine C. Cosine C is 120 degrees. So to get the value of x, we need to get the square root of both sides of the equation. And that is now the value of x. So just use our calculator. So let's evaluate this. So we have 9 squared, so that is 81. So we have 81 plus 81 minus, so this term, so I will just put parentheses. So we have 2 times 9 times another 9 and then times cosine 120. So I will press 120 first and then cosine and then the parenthesis symbol and then equal sign. So we have 243. We need to get the square root. So square root of 243, that is equal to 15.588. Okay? 15.5884, or we can round it off to 15.59. Okay? So 15.59, so that is the value of x. So the value of x, the side of the equilateral triangle is 15.59 meters. So now, we can solve the area of what's the area of the triangle? Just use this formula. Any of these three formula. Okay, so therefore, A is equal to, so the x here will be 15.59. So use the formula. We have sine C or A, B, and C, all the angles of this equilateral triangle, all the angles are 60 degrees. So if we use the formula, A is equal to 1/2. So let the value of B 15.59. So we have 15.59. And then C is also 15.59 because all the sides are equal. So another 15.59. And then sine A, so sine A, any of the angles, that's all 60 degrees because it is equilateral triangle. So we have sine 60 degrees. Okay, so therefore, if we type this on our calculator, we will get the answer of 105.24. The answer is letter D, 105.24 meter squared. Okay, so I will just show you. So we have 15.59 squared and then divided by 2 times 1/2 or divided by 2. Okay, and then times sine 60. So times sine 60, so we have 60 sine and then press equal sign. We have 100.24, round off 2 decimal places, 105.24, letter B. Okay, so next, number 331. So number 331, what is the area in square centimeters of the circle circumscribed about an equilateral triangle with a side 10 centimeters long? Okay, so same figure. So we have same figure, circle, circumscribe about an equilateral triangle. So we have equilateral triangle inside a circle. So this time the given is with a side 10 centimeters long. Okay? So the side of the equilateral triangle is 10 centimeters long. Okay, so we have, so let this A, B, and C, vertices of the triangle, and then the side is 10 centimeters. So all the sides, since it is an equilateral triangle, all the sides are 10 centimeters. So the question is, what is the area in square centimeters of the circle? Okay, so we want to find the area of the circle. So the formula for area of the circle is A is equal to pi r squared. So to solve the area of the circle, we need to find the radius. Okay, so the radius of this, we solve first the radius of this circle. Okay? So to find the radius of the circle, so again, we will use the formula. The formula A is equal to 1/2 AB sine C. Okay? So we can use this formula. So again, all the angles of, since this is an equilateral triangle, so all the angles are 60 degrees. Okay? So let's substitute the given. So we have, so this is this will be A, this will be B, and then this is side angle B, so this will be side B, and then this will be side C. So let's substitute to this formula. So we have given side is 10 centimeters long. We can solve the area of this equilateral triangle. So therefore, A is equal to 1/2. The value of A is 10 centimeters. The value of B is another 10 centimeters. And C is 60 degrees. So we have sine 60 degrees. So therefore, the area of the equilateral triangle is, so just type this on your calculator, we will get 43.3 centimeter squared. Okay, so I will just show you. So we have 1/2 of 10, that will be 5 times 10. So we have 50. And then times sine 16. So 60 first, and then press sine. And then press equal sign. We have 43.30 or 43.3 centimeters squared. Okay? So next step, we will use the formula A is equal to ABC. A equals ABC over 4R. So that we can solve the radius. So A here is the area of the triangle. So we have now the area of the triangle is 43.3. A, B, C are the sides of the triangle, and R is the radius. So solving for R, so the value of R will be, so just cross multiply. So cross multiply, we will get 4RA is equal to ABC. And then solve for R, divide both sides by 4A. So divide both sides by 4A. So therefore, the value of R is ABC over 4A. So substitute all the given. ABC are all 10. So we have 10 times 10 times 10 divided by 4 times the area, which is 43.3 centimeter squared. So if we solve this, we will get 5.774 centimeters. Okay, so just type this on your calculator. Okay, I'll show you. So we have 10 times 10 times 10, so that is 1,000 divided by 4 times 43.3, so 43.3, so close parenthesis, equals, so we have 5.774, round up 3 decimal places. Okay, so that will be our radius, and then for last, we can now find the area of the circle. we have A equals pi r squared. So just substitute the value of our radius. That is 5.774. So final answer, we have pi times 5.774 squared. So we will get the area is equal to 104.7 centimeters squared. That is letter A. Okay, so I will just show you. So 5.774 squared and then times the value of pi. So this is the pi equals 104.7 round off 1 decimal place, 104.7. Okay, so last number for this video, number 332. The area of a triangle inscribed in a circle is 39.19 centimeters squared, and the radius of the circumscribed circle is 7.14 centimeters. If the two sides of the inscribed triangle are 8 centimeters and 10 centimeters respectively, find the third side. Okay, so let us draw the figure. So we have the area of triangle inscribed in a circle is 39.19 centimeter. So that is the area of 39.19 centimeters squared. That is the area of the triangle. Okay? So we have 39.19 centimeter squared, and the radius of the circumscribed circle is 7.14 centimeter. Okay? So let this be the radius. So this is the radius. And then, so this is the radius. So we have this the radius 7 point. The radius given is 7.14 centimeters. So if the two sides of the inscribed triangle are 8 centimeters and 10 centimeters respectively, so let this side be the side A. We have 8 centimeters, and then this side B is equal to 10 centimeters. The question is, find the third side. So find the third side. Let the third side is C. Okay? So we have direct formula for this. Since the triangle is inscribed in a circle, we can use the formula A is equal to ABC over 4R. Okay? A is the area of the triangle, so that is given. ABC are the sides and R is the radius. So we have given the area of triangle is given. The radius is also given. We have 7.14. A and B, both given. So we have 8 centimeters and 10 centimeters. So we can solve the value of C. Okay, so let us derive the formula for C. So derive the formula for C, multiply both sides by 4R. So we will get 4A times R. So 4AR equals ABC. Then divide both sides by AB. Okay, divide both sides by AB. So that is now the formula for C. Okay, so therefore C is equal to, just substitute the given. So we have 4, and then we have A is 39.19 times R. We have R is 7.14 divided by AB. So AB is 8 and 10. So we have 8 times 10. So just type that on your calculator, and then we will get 14 centimeters. Letter D. Okay, so I'll just show you the computation. So we have 4 times 39.19, and then times 7.14, okay, equals, divided by 8 times 10, that is 80. So divided by 80 equals 150. Okay, so nagkamali ako ng pindot. So ulit. So we have 4 times 39.19 times 7.14 equals, divided by 80. So we have 13.99, round off to nearest whole number. The answer is 14 centimeters. Okay, so letter D. Okay, so that's all. So thank you for watching, and see you on my next video about engineering mathematics. So if you have my question, just send a message to my or comment to this video on YouTube or send me a message on my messenger, RJ Enseñado. Bye-bye and God bless.